Hi, how you guys doing today? My name is Omar. Some of you guys already know me as Barber Crew. I'm the owner of Master Academy. We're located right here in Long Beach, California. Today we're going to be bringing you guys some cosmetology videos. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to go ahead and do the cosmetology videos since we do have the skateboard barbering ones. We've had actually a lot of people have been sending us messages saying that they've passed state board just based on those videos. So hopefully you guys really enjoy these cosmetology ones. I know it took us a little bit of time to be able to get them done. I just had to set up the timing with our with the instructor. Um, Beto, she's one of our top line instructors. She's our Spanish cosmetology instructor. She's really good. I wanted to set it up with her to make sure that we get them done the right way and do everything the way it's supposed to be done. We do have them translated to English. So the Spanish ones is just the way she's going to go ahead and just do them and explain as she goes. The English ones, I translate for her. So hopefully you guys were able to understand. Again, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and send us an email. Or if you're on Instagram with us at the Master Academy, you can send us a DM. If you guys are on YouTube, go ahead and just leave a comment below and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Best way to get a hold of us though is on our website, onlinemasteracademy.com. Just send us a direct email and or contact us and we'll go ahead and reply to you. If you guys have any questions, we usually try to get back to you as soon as possible, okay? Again, you know, the Spanish ones, we do have a set of them. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos. So all 7 of them Spanish is just Beto doing the way she works. And the other 7 in English, it's myself translating them into English for you guys. I hope that you guys are able to use them. Again, I just want to throw it out there. These videos are not 100% perfect. I do understand that, you know, sometimes we forget little things, but hopefully they'll be good enough for you guys to be able to pass state board. I review them myself and, you know, again, you know, they're pretty good. I believe they're worth it. Hopefully you guys really enjoy them and they're useful for you guys. I know the barbering one, we've gotten tons of messages of people saying that they've passed state board just based on our videos. So we're hoping to do the same thing with cosmetology. Just remember, you guys, these videos are made for you to watch them. They're not made for you to be sharing them or, you know, put them online or any of that stuff. We do have the 100% rights to our videos, so make sure that you guys are not putting them online. We really ask you guys for that favor. Also, if you're in academy, these videos are not made for you to be showing them to your students. They're supposed to be individually purchased. Hopefully, you know, if you guys want to show them to your students, send us an email. You know, go to our website, send us an email. We're more than welcome to work with you guys. Just please do us a favor and, you know, send us a message and we'll go ahead and work with your school. We'll show you guys how to be able to share them with your students as well, okay? Again, you know, we have 100% rights to our videos, so make sure if you guys want to distribute them or sell them or show them to your students, send us an email first, get the approval from us first, and then we'll go ahead and talk about that afterwards, okay? So the video is the same thing we did for barbering, we did for cosmetology. What we did is we actually divided them on each category. We have a video for the initial setup, which is our work area, client preparation, and setup of supplies. That one's 15 minutes. Right after that, we jump into the thermal curling. I'm gonna go ahead and explain at the beginning of every video what we just finished and what we're getting into and how much time you're gonna have available, okay? Hopefully you guys really like the videos. Send us a comment. If you guys are on our YouTube, make sure you subscribe and like our page. If you guys are on Instagram, make sure you guys follow us on Instagram at the Master Academy or myself at the Barber Crew, at Barber Crew. If you guys are on Facebook, just type in at Master Academy. We should pop up as well. And on our website, www.onlinemasteracademy.com, okay? So again, we're gonna go ahead and start off with work area, client preparation, and setup of supplies. This one is a 15-minute process. It gives you 15 minutes to the initial time to set up, to do everything before you start the thermal curling. Let's go ahead and watch the video. Okay, so on the day of your skateboard test, we're going to show you how to get there. How are you going to set up your skateboard kit, where it's going to go. Also, you got to remember, you have to wait until the inspector or the proctor assigns you a station. You cannot just get in there and try to pick out a station or just choose your own station. Remember, they're the ones that are going to tell you what station you're going to pick. You could be 1, 2, 3. Sometimes there's up to 7, 8 people. So when you arrive to the skateboard to take your test, you're gonna have your skateboard bag and you're gonna have your tripod in your shoulder. and you're just gonna wait. They're gonna go ahead and assign you a station. You're gonna go ahead and arrive, put the luggage on the floor. Remember that you will have a manicure table that's under your desk. So if your manicure table is on the left side, then put your bag on the right side. If your manicure table is on the right, then put it on the left. The tripod, you're gonna put it on the top right now. We're still not setting up yet. Remember, they're gonna ask you for state issued ID. So make sure you have either a California driver's license, California ID, or a passport. Something that has to be issued by the United States. It cannot be like a Mexican passport or a matrícula consular. It has to be something from the United States, and it has to be valid, meaning that it's not expired. You're gonna go ahead and place it on the table, and then they will go ahead and do the rest from there. Then they're gonna tell you, okay, go ahead and remove your tripod or take out your tripod. We're gonna open your little bag and remove your tripod from the inside. Remember that little bag where you're gonna carry your tripod has to go inside your skateboard kit. On one of the sides, you have two pockets on the sides of the skateboard kit. One of them is gonna be with the trash bag and the items to be disinfected and the soil linen towels. On the other side, it should be empty, so that's where you're gonna be placing your little bag. Remember, when you're opening your tripod, make sure that it's nice and firm. Make sure that it's not gonna be falling or moving around. Remember the tripod, once you place it, usually the height, everything, you want to get it to where it's supposed to be at. Try to avoid touching the tripod as much as possible. You can move that one up and down as you need it, but just remember that anytime you touch the tripod, you are going to have to sanitize your hands all the time. Always sanitize your hands. They're going to be looking a lot for sanitation, especially right now with the whole COVID thing that's going on. You want to make sure you sanitize your hands as much as possible. The little bag where your tripod came in, remember, on one side we do have our trash bags and the brown bags that you're going to be putting on the bottom. So if they're on this side, then make sure that you put your little bag on the opposite side. We are going to be using our tripod pretty much for the whole entire test. So, you're not going to be taking out that bag until